I'm here with the team in Portugal. I can't believe our luck. We are with Maquinser Tech. We're just following on from the time we were with Maquinser at the Beam show a few weeks ago. Here in Portugal, based in Porto. We've got a 2-day event that we're going to show you around. You need to see what Portugal's got to offer.
We have, as Portugal is mainly a subcontractor, small, medium companies, we have to adapt to all the changes in the world, and we have a lot of companies working for mold and die. We want to show all the possibilities for the new options of introduction, technology, and connected technology with the machine. My name is Inácio Sousa. I'm the Managing Director of Maquinser Tech in Portugal. We are part of Maquinser Group, and we take care of the Portuguese market for machine tool distribution. Today and tomorrow we are having here our Open Tech with a lot of technology inside from our brands like Matsuura, Muratec, Tsugami, Datron. This has been always an important market for the metal industry. We have also general machining, small shop floors, working with very complex parts. This is most of our market. We are based here in Porto, very close to the city, in Alfena. So we try to distribute our service and our sales to cover the market and be closer to the market. So most of our team is here in Porto, and then we have one sales engineer and one service engineer out of the office just to be closer to the customers. We are seeing some changes worldwide, and we expect that our industry moves a little bit more for the higher end value parts like aerospace and defense. We expect that we can create in Portugal more own products that we can sell outside. Change from being a subcontracted country to a manufacturer with own products. And this is, it looks like it will happen because we have a lot of new startup companies with ideas, developing new products, and we expect that this could change also the mindset in Portugal.
Okay, so I'm Oscar Villanueva. I'm a product manager of a machine tool division in the company for Spain and Portugal. And what I'm doing really is to know exactly what the customer, what is the reality on the market on this kind of events, or even in the visiting the customer together with the Maquinser staff, Spain or Portugal. In this case, Portugal. Yeah, we lived this situation in Spain before. As we told many times, the workshop realized that they have to go to automated solutions, and then we are in the line of product since 4 years ago. And what Maquinser is offering is these solutions even for small or very small companies. This kind of technology is very related to the mold makers, to the mold industry. And they are always the first interested on this kind of solutions and this kind of technology. So it is really something that is working.
I'm Rui Pinho. I'm the sales technician for the north of Portugal. And my role in Maquinser is to connect with the customers, to know the customers, and to bring them into our house, into our family, like I like to call it, and to make them partners, make us partners of the customer and the other way around. I believe that's the right way of doing it. This week here in our Open Tech, we are presenting our three main brands, Japanese brands, Tsugami in the Swiss-type turning machines, Muratec in the bar lathe machines with the gantry system to load and unload the parts without human intervention, and our top Matsuura with the MX420 palletized system for 5-axis milling machine. The goal nowadays, I believe, and for what they tell us and also for what we bring to them or take to them, The goal is to reduce times always, reduce costs, and that can be done especially with obviously top-level technology and with automatization, like the pallet size on the Matsuura machines, the gantry in the Muratecs. Everything that avoids human intervention is a plus because it can assure that the machine works more times, more time and longer times without the need of a human in there. What I like about Maquinser is the feeling of family, of belonging, you know. First, our team, we are truly as a family all over, from the whole team of Maquinser from Spain to Portugal. We are all one. And then with our customers, we try to put that feeling also with them. So I like to believe that our customers are also a part of our family.
We have had 2 amazing days with Maquinser Tech here in Portugal. I cannot believe it, in Porto. If you are manufacturing technology, you need to look no further than this place here.